Welcome back to Standcrafted. Are you bored, looking for something to do during lockdown? Well, if you've got a couple of scraps of leather, a little bit of thread and a needle, and some rice, you can make yourself a hacky sack. That's what I did. The first thing I did was make a pattern. I didn't take one off the internet, although I'm sure there are some available. But as a kid, I'd taken apart enough baseballs to know what the shape should look like. I then transferred those to 2 different colored pieces of leather and cut them out with a pair of sharp scissors. To begin the sewing process, I first tacked one end of the blue piece of leather to the middle of the brown piece of leather, just to make sure that my starting and ending points would be okay. After that, I did a simple overhand stitch. You can see what I did in the video, but I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do it. If you're better at sewing leather, maybe you could leave a comment below and describe what I should have done. Having a sharp awl was invaluable in this process, as in the end I ended up making the holes as I went. With about an inch to go, I turned the hacky sack inside out, which was quite a process. All that was left to do at this point was to fill the hacky sack with some grain. I used brown rice and a funnel to make sure that I didn't make too big of a mess. After that, I sewed it up and I was ready to play. As you can see in these clips, I'm not really that good at hacky sack, but it sure is a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks. I'll see you next time.